When Lehman Brothers collapsed in September 2008, it shook the financial industry to its core. The collapse of an investment bank once considered invincible triggered the biggest economic meltdown in decades. Now, more than 3 years later, another institution has officially been implicated in Lehman Brothers' downfall. JP Morgan Chase Bank used to lend money to Lehman Brothers. On Wednesday, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, an independent agency of the US government, ruled that JP Morgan used money belonging to clients of Lehman Brothers as though it was JP Morgan's own money. JP Morgan overextended Lehman Brothers' credit and loaned against it, which some economists say contributed to Lehman Brothers' downfall. But instead of a prolonged court case which could generate negative publicity, JP Morgan has settled the dispute. The world's largest bank has agreed to a civil fine of $20 million. In a statement released to the media, JP Morgan says no customer funds were ever used to satisfy any Lehman Brothers debt to JP Morgan, nor were any customer funds in these accounts lost. The CFTC does not claim that JP Morgan Chase intentionally violated the Commodity Exchange Act or CFTC regulations.
It's a hot button issue. It's an opportunity for the CFTC to do something here, to raise some revenue, to show their policing. And it's an opportunity for JP Morgan to come out and say, okay, there was no wrongdoing against us. We paid a fine. We're all moving on. So kind of everyone's happy.
Not least the banks. A $20 million payout is hardly a deterrent for other major financial institutions.
It's a little bit as though you were caught scalping tickets for hundreds of thousands of dollars and you got an $11 fine. Is there a chance that you might go out and scalp some more tickets? If you made $100,000 and you paid an $11 fine, I'd expect to see you in front, a few blocks from here in front of Madison Square Garden again soon.
Regardless of any speculation about the JP Morgan settlement, it makes no meaningful difference to the ordinary Americans affected by the economic crash of 2008. It won't bring back the thousands of jobs and millions of dollars lost in the following years, and many have lost faith that anyone will ever be held accountable. Cath, Al Jazeera, New York.